E Aruba é gateway de Europa para o país na nossa região. Na altura de Sáquia decidi para começar com um projeto chamado Happy Flow. Esse aqui funge como pre-clearance para passageiros na Bahia da Europa e assim facilitar o processo de viagem. Riba mesmo momento que nós recebemos o vuelo de KLM Riba Biofuel a introduzir Happy Flow e assim põe o projeto na prova para pôr mira com esse aqui vira de um futuro cercano.
Aruba being one of the hubs of the Caribbean, I would like to translate it as the gateway for Europe into the Caribbean, like Amsterdam is the gateway for the Caribbean to Europe. And in this particular line of thinking and this important role aviation is for Aruba, fits exactly the Happy Flow project. And it's a project which needs visionary, which needs vision, which needs the support of the government.
Todo projeto tem seu reto não começar a resolver, pero não te dúvida que Aruba lo hace aqui na melhor maneira e que te hasta lo serve como muestra para outro país. Não?
Basically, the technical difficulties are not the issue in Aruba, because I know, Camille knows, Peter knows that with the support, Mike, of you and the total government, I'm sure that those 85 pages of technical difficulties, and are numerous ones, it's pure technical, it's also political technical, it's everything technical, that I'm sure that it's not the difficulties what counts, but ultimately the end result. And I'm full confident that that Happy Flow will soon be here. And then, then we have a look whether we can, because that's of course part of the interest as well, that we can copy it into Europe and into Amsterdam in first instance.
Palabra de elogio a Bahia para el proyecto y ta premirar con Aruba y su aeropuerto lo vira un viaje más, el país líder de este tipo de facilidad aquí.